Hello friends and welcome to day 8. New week, new page in this Clairefontaine notebook. I think at the end of everything I will do like a special sheet up for the Inkvent calendar to have all the swatches in one place, but for now I'm swatching in this. So let's find number 8 and crack it open right near the center. Nice and easy to see. Oh, here we go, gold. Yep. And it's a shimmer. Wonderful. Okay, so this is called Gold Star, and I think you can see it's pretty much supposed to be straight up gold. Now, as I mentioned with the first one, that the shimmers really do require a good agitation before you write with them. You can see I've just got this little bit in the top here. So I'm guessing yellow base with a pure gold shimmer through it, because that's what it looks like. Yellow ink does have a tendency to look orange in a bottle because there's just so much of it, and these inks being so pigmented, I'm not surprised. So nice and agitated. That swirl is beautiful. I could watch that for hours. Let's have a go at this. Very yellow. I'm going quite deep so as to make sure I get some of that shimmer in. Now again, the shimmers and the sheens definitely do require a wetter lay down so that you get enough of that shimmer or those flashes of other colours coming through. So that's Gold Star on day 8. Definitely starting off the bar high with week 2. Now I don't know if this camera is even half capturing. I think at the end what I'll do is I'll do that big sheet and I'll have them sort of glistening in the sunlight, because sunlight does tend to bring out shimmers and sheens the best. So there we go, day 8, Gold Star. Can't wait to see the rest of the week.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And please subscribe and hit that little bell to be notified of new videos. You can find me all over social media through Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!